from Dancing Flavors. And did you know today is cheese fondue day? I never knew about today, such a day. And that got me thinking about how do we use cheese in the Lebanese kitchen? Because as you know, or you might not know, I just cater and cook Lebanese food. So we do use cheese a lot in our food, but mainly I remember a recipe from my cookery book, and it's pudding. It's a sweet and it's pudding. It's like similar to rice pudding, but it's with cheese. So that's what I'm doing now. I've got rice I cooked beforehand, not too much water. One is soft. I added mozzarella cheese because it's stretching, and that's what we want to achieve. And I'm going to add a bit of nutmeg. Of course, there is sugar. So I would say 100 gram rice to 100 gram sugar, 500 milliliter of water to start with, and a bit of nutmeg. And I don't know if you ever use